When I arrived in Fiji 5 years ago, one of the first Italki words that I learned was the word ruabata, or coming together as one, or in agreement, or working together for a common goal or vision. So when I first heard about the government-led Jobs for Nature initiative and what it was about, the word ruabata came into my mind. In many ways, Jobs for Nature is the coming together of community members of Fijians, multiple sectors or arms of government, from economy, social welfare, environment, Italki affairs and others, to do work that mitigates the impacts of climate change and generates income for their communities and families, while also protecting the most vulnerable rural areas across the country and receiving traditional knowledges and practices on the production and management of Fiji's precious ocean resources. And that's why the World Bank is so proud to support the Jobs for Nature 2.0. I understand it is in fact quite groundbreaking as the first green cash for work program in the Pacific, building on the commitment of communities with government support. Leveraging this experience, Jobs for Nature 2.0 is going to be a platform for Fiji for creating jobs aimed at strengthening community resilience with a strong focus on vulnerable rural communities. The World Bank continues to support Fiji's ongoing COVID-19 response and recovery efforts, as well as bolstering Fiji's fiscal social disaster resilience, for example with our most recent support announced in May for 106 million Fiji dollars. These resources help support Fiji's social protection systems and help support Fijians post-COVID through initiatives like this Jobs for Nature initiative that aims to create up to 10,000 jobs. This is vital work to support Fiji's recovery. It is also a unique way to build on the strong connections that Fijians have to the land and to the sea. The efforts that will be made to protect and preserve these resources shows responsibility and guardianship of the gifts that Mother Nature has granted for us to preserve for future generations. And it is something that the global community can learn from. This platform is also an important opportunity from which the government can revitalize Fiji's experience in welfare graduation. By targeting this support, the most vulnerable Fijians will be supported and equipped with the skills and experience to be gainfully employed in the years to come. Honourable Minister, we look forward to continuing our partnership on the very important areas of social protection in Fiji. It has benefited from World Bank support since 2021 in order to help government support its citizens to recover from the economic downturn from COVID-19 and also support the resilience of families and communities to future economic shocks, including climate change, as well as the food and fuel price crisis that's impacting the world at the moment. Again, Honourable Minister, we are proud and delighted to be a partner with the Fijian government on this important program, and we look forward to meeting many of the participants of this work in the month ahead in Auckland.